Meet OmniBrief, your local research library built directly into Chrome. Let's take an example of the CSS Tricks homepage. This looks like a very interesting set of articles, but I don't have time to read them all. So let's just click through to this one. Add that to our queue. We can just click here and say, summarize this tab. But equally, we could say, without even opening it, we can say, okay, let's have a look at scroll-triggered animations. That sounds good. Let's add that to our web dev collection. And as you can see, it's already started to analyze it. And in fact, the Shadow Realms one has already been analyzed. Let's see what that looks like when we play it back.
Shadow Realms, isolating JavaScript code for enhanced security and organization. Shadow Realms are a proposed JavaScript feature that isolates code execution within a new realm, preventing interference with the main global scope and promoting code organization. JavaScript is often described as single-threaded, meaning scripts execute linearly. However, JavaScript applications can utilize.
You may have noticed that I could carry on surfing whilst listening to that article.
Rather than just a bookmark, capture it to your research library, summarized by AI, automatically saved into a searchable library, all on your own device, all for free. Choose what type of summary you want and how you want to label it before you request the summary. Not just web pages, you can summarize PDFs. A quick summary can save you hours of reading. Expand any brief to read the key points, tagged and organized automatically. Can extract a page automatically, paste the text yourself, and OmniBrief briefs it exactly the same way. Build a folder once, or a rule that keeps filing new briefs into it automatically. Prefer to listen to the summary whilst you look for other content? No problem. Click play and hear the summary play in the side panel, while you carry on surfing in the main window. Add your own notes and tags to any brief searchable later, entirely yours. Share it as clean Markdown with one click. Got a follow-up question? Ask AI the answer for the summary. File any brief into as many collections as you like, anytime. The text the summary is based on is also stored. Every brief keeps a record of exactly what was extracted and what the model produced from it, so you can even rerun the summary with a different LLM. Search your entire library by concept, not just keywords, powered by a local vector index that never leaves your browser. Want an English summary for a Japanese page? Several built-in languages or LLM-provided translations. Search in English and it still finds the brief, because the summary itself really is in English. When a page is more than plain text, OmniBrief reads that too. Recipes get real ingredients and steps pulled straight from the page itself, breadcrumbs jump you back into the site, and video plays right there in the panel. A how-to guide gets its own step-by-step tab, an author byline, and a breadcrumb trail, all read straight from the page. An event page shows its real date, time, and venue with a ticket link, right where you need it. Drop in a PDF, and it briefs exactly like any other page. Deleting a brief always asks first. There is no accidental way to lose your library. Prefer a different model? Switch to Gemini, Claude, OpenAI, or your own local Ollama server anytime. Use your own keys, no additional subscriptions required. Every provider lives in one drop-down. Use a built-in AI, your own private LLM for or bring your own key. Choose a voice, preview it, and set your own reading speed. A full list of real voices to choose from, not just whatever your system defaults to. Scale the text size to exactly what is comfortable for you, with a live preview as you drag. It's privacy first from the ground up. Everything runs on your device, with zero external services required unless you choose to add one. Your entire library lives in a private file system on your device. Export it to a zip backup or restore one anytime. Every action has a shortcut. Customize any of them straight from Chrome itself. A quick system check confirms everything is ready before you rely on it. Getting started is easy, it's privacy first from the ground up. A quick check confirms your browser is ready and downloads what it needs. Pick a voice and hear it right from the start. Every permission gets a plain language reason, right where you grant it. Pin it, learn the shortcut, and you are ready to go. Cut to the full dashboard view, the whole product at its widest. The same library given all the room it deserves. The full dashboard just as at home in light mode. This is what it looks like while you actually read the brief right next to the page. Version, engine, and a plain language privacy summary, all in one place. Find something worth saving, right-click any link and queue it silently in the background without you open it. Come back a little later to read the summary. Grab an entire tab group in one go. OmniBrief queues every page in sequence. API keys stay encrypted behind a PIN, and OmniBrief only ever asks for it the moment it's actually needed. Light or dark, it looks at home in your browser either way. Help is always one click away, right inside the panel.
Optimize your research. Protect your privacy. Read smarter with OmniBrief. Add it to Chrome today. Completely free.